We're going fishing in the pond. Da-da-da-da-da. Gonna catch some fishes. Gonna catch them now. Going to the pond, trying to catch some fish. Andrew's Awesome Fishing Show. Hey guys, it's Andrew. We're going fishing today. I'm using a rattle trap. The weather's kind of stormy out there, so hopefully we will catch some stuff. And when it rains at my pond, there's no weeds, so we're gonna catch stuff. So we're here at our spot for today. There's no weeds in sight, so we're gonna fish here at this pond, at this part of the pond. And if not, we're gonna move over one spot. So hopefully catch some fish with a rattle trap today. Hey guys, so caught a fish right now. The bigger bass just had their babies, so exciting things going on now. Now I gotta be careful. I got hooked bad, so I gotta be careful of taking the seaweed off of him. Okay, so I hooked him in the lower lip. He just chomped it. Chomped. Okay. So he's going to spaz around for a little bit, but not anymore. Okay. Nice little bass. Sorry, they're so little today. But okay, so this is what I caught. Okay, so goodbye to the bass. He's safe. Let's fish some more. So, got another fish, a little bit bigger than my other one. At least, as I told you, the mom and the other big bass had their babies, so that's why they're getting so small. Like right at the beginning of spring, you want to go fish. Right when it's hot out, pond is melted, you want to go fish. They'll be big. So, another nice sized bass. Okay, so let's put them back in the water. When you have mini bass like this, you have to make sure they're okay. So, I'm going to set him down like this. And there he goes. He swam away. So, he's okay. Fish some more for these nice little bass. They're actually a little bit too little, so hopefully I'll catch a bigger one. So, I'm gonna go fish. We're still fishing. caught already 2 bass. Casting towards the fountain where they should be. Huge bass, guys. Huge one. This thing is huge. Guys, huge. Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh man! Trophy fish! Huge bass! Oh my God! Oh man! This isn't even a bass, it's a monster! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh man! Man, it's gotta be the biggest bass I have ever seen. Right there. Look at this thing. Look at this baby. Oh, man, I love him. Oh. So I caught that on a rattle trap. Now let's get him off before he gets killed. Okay, so somehow I'm gonna take this guy. Guys. Oh. This is the nicest bass I have ever caught in my whole dang life. This thing is huge, guys. Huge. Man, I'm so happy. Take some pictures of him before he dies. Again, that was huge, baby. Man, let's fish again for that thing. My pole just got tangled bad, so that concludes my fishing show. And today's week's winners are Max with another frog on a weedless worm, Max with a huge bass on a grub tail, a jig, and a spinner. And the winner of this show is me with an 18-inch bass caught on a rattle trap. So guys, I had a great day of fishing today. Huge bass. Biggest of the pond. Big mama. Caught some 2 little bass. Man, that bass was huge. And I hope you enjoyed this Andrew's Awesome Fishing Show. We're going fishing in the pond. Gonna catch fishes. Gonna catch them now. Going to the pond, trying to catch some fish. Andrew's Awesome Fishing Show. Look at this thing. Look at this baby. Oh, man, I love him. Oh. So I caught that on a rattle trap. Now let's get him off. Andrew's Awesome Fishing Show.